So I did a live stream from yesterday from about 7 in the morning till 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning, maybe a little bit later. And I came to bed because I thought perhaps they've got it wrong and the typhoon's passed us now. And look at it, it hasn't passed. It's really bad. And this roof here is going to come up. It's going to blow up. You can see the wood moving. Well, I don't know if you can, but I certainly can see the wood moving. See it? It's lifting. And any time now it's going to blow. It's very, very strong, the wind. It's stronger than the last typhoon we had. There you go, look, it's coming up. Huh? That tree looks like it's going to come down. I need something to just keep it on there, my love. Very bad. I should have stayed up a bit longer, but I couldn't keep my eyes open. Whee! Oh my god. Now you can see the typhoons here. I thought this morning we must be on the edge of it. It wasn't going to hit us, but it's hit us big. Hit us big. He's telling us across here there's roof pieces coming off and flying. Guys, the typhoon is well and truly here. As you can see, we've definitely got damage. There's water coming into the upstairs here. The corner is blown off for some reason. I don't understand it. All this rubbish is staying put. But our roof that was quite solid come down. This piece is blown into their backyard, look. You can hear how bad it is. This is all, if it doesn't stop soon. Look at the roof over there. That's all going to blow off. The wood's rotten. I'm surprised it's not come off. They put heavy bricks and stuff on that roof over there, but it's not really doing much good. The last one wasn't as powerful as this. There's water in here. Where's the water coming from? Oh, dude. Oh my god. What? We put some wood outside the window and it's come off and all the water's coming through here now, look. Whatever you do, save the ducks. You must save the ducks. So look at that. Somebody lives in that over there, and it's absolutely destroyed. They're not going to be living in there anymore. I think the second floor's come off. Oh my God! The whole of the second floor's come off.
Oh, we're down.
You see what I mean, guys? I knew this was going to happen. The whole of their second floor where they're normally sleeping is just blowing off. Got to be careful, because if any of this metal flies off, it'll take your head off. I don't know what to think they're going to do in this. It's still quite strong. Is the shop all right? Hello. Let's have a look at here. Well, I know it's not finished. I don't know what they think they're going to do. Why are you looking like you're dead but walking? Look. Here you go. This is about as bad as that typhoon when we're in the other house. You see her, she's laughing. And look at that roof bar, delicate it is. That bit's come off. Look at this, right? There's no drainage on it. They've just concreted it. Look at the gates blowing off. Now you wouldn't have thought them steel doors would have blown in. My God, I wouldn't be out on a motorbike on this. That's crazy. I shouldn't be out just walking. Because this is this is going to last for quite a while. It's not due to move for at least another hour and a half. Oh yeah. Go and have a look round the other side. House wise it's not so bad, I guess. All that's come down. It's just basically trees and stuff here. Let's get out of here, Mel. Oh my God, not strong enough even now, isn't it? With them, see what I mean? Morning. Right, everything's fine. Good morning. It's crazy, isn't it? It's no big deal. It's like them who's lost the second floor here. It's, oh my God, I can't walk. It's not gonna. Oh, look at that, it's all blowing through the room. Oh my God. Look at it. Look, the corner. Okay, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Please disperse. Nothing to see here.
Please disperse. Nothing to see here. Please disperse. Nothing to see here.
See, this is going to come off. This is abandoned. This to my left is abandoned. There's nobody in it, thank God. It's not flooding. There hasn't been enough rain, so it's not flooded, thank God. It's been mostly wind that's done the damage. Hello.
Thank you.
Let's see if anything around here's been damaged. I'll be surprised if there's anything not been damaged. Hey, what's up? You don't need aircon here.
No. Libre ang aircon.
See, they'll not take offense. They're just laughing about it. It's part and parcel of living in the Philippines, guys. It really is. I'm surprised these houses are still up. There's been a lot of damage. Well, you can't really tell, but there has been quite a bit of damage there. Oh my God. The wind is really, oh my God. It's really strong. There's not really any damage. They're so lucky. I'm amazed. See, they're all out. It's all flooded here, so they'll not be cooking any balut there until it all goes away. There's not really any damage. I can't believe it. It's just where we are. Well, there's been some there. That top floor, I come round to see that because I thought that had come off. You can see. I think you can see, yeah. Hello! It's incredible. It's incredible. They don't care. It's like, you know, it's all part and parcel of living in the Philippines to them. Nothing phases them. They go through so much hardship. This is just another day in the Philippines, isn't it? It's just totally amazing. I put the waterproof door back on my GoPro, so I hope there's no problems with it. Look at that. Look at this, right? So they've not got any door on there. That top was covered up, it's actually gone. That over there, oh my God, I couldn't live, you know. In my opinion, I live very simple, but I couldn't live this simple. You've got to draw the line somewhere, haven't you? That's where I draw the line. Now, a couple of typhoons ago, if you remember, when my leg got infected, this was all flooded. It was like nearly a foot inside the house. Now, it still may flood, depends on the amount of rain, but so I wouldn't bother until this was over. I wouldn't bother trying to shift. Oh, he needs to get his motorbike. See, there'll be nails and stuff in there. He'll get a puncture if he tries to go over it. There is, look, there's loads of nails sticking out. He lifts that. Now he's going to go over the metal. There you go. I'll not be using that again. Or maybe there will. It's bouncing back. Oh my god. There you go. We knew that would come down. There's no motorbikes coming along here, is there? It's nowhere near stopping yet. And that roof's pretty much all folded back. And all it needs is a right strong gust and this roof is just going to blow. See, that's really dangerous what he's doing, because if somebody comes by, that's going to fall on them, isn't it? Look, even this lot's gone. You see this? That young guy, about 18, was sleeping on this under a tarpaulin because he's got nowhere to live. And there's too many living in these houses to let him move into the house. But at the minute, while the typhoon's on, they're letting him sleep inside. Look at this. Hey, that's a bit ironic, isn't it? They might actually build a breeze block, or hollow block as they call them here, wall now. So we've got no internet, we've got no electricity, that goes without saying.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.